In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your macOS to never ask to keep changes when closing out of documents. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select Desktop and Dock. And then on the right side, just scroll down where it says Ask to keep changes when closing documents. You want to just have that toggle to the left to disable it, as you see on my screen. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.